welcome to the Poultry Site TV. I've come with very interesting and educative content for you today. This is on the use of banana and plantain flour to boost the growth of your broiler and to give you a very maximum weight within a short period of time and to increase the egg production in your layers farm. If you are a broiler farmer or layers farmer, please draw your seat closer and watch this video from beginning to end. Share this video to other farmers, let them get to know this. This particular vegetable I'm holding here is almost as good as a waste in any part. You know that most farmers cut this off and throw it away. So it is very important. It is very nutritious in poultry feed, in poultry diet. This particular vegetable here contains minerals and vitamins. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin K. It contains minerals, enough minerals that will boost the immunity and growth of your birds. It contains potassium, it contains iron, it contains magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and copper. These minerals and vitamins are very essential. I'm going to teach you how you're going to use them in your poultry birds and how they're going to serve you. Please don't skip any portion of this video. Share this video and make sure you share this video to other farmers. Thank you. As we go into flowers or banana flowers are good source of various vitamins and minerals. The specific content can vary, but generally they are very good source of vitamins and minerals, and it supports poultry growth. It has vitamin A, very rich in nutrients. Plantain flour is a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, and others. And it has minerals such as potassium, calcium, and iron, which are very important for the overall health and growth of poultry birds. They are very high in fiber, very high in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for the digestive health of poultry birds. Fiber helps in promoting regular bowel movement and can contribute to the overall well-being of the birds. Protein content. Plantain flour contains very essential proteins for the development and maintenance of muscle, feathers, and other body tissues in poultry birds. Energy source. The carbohydrates present in plantain flour can serve as a good energy source for poultry birds, helping them to meet their energy requirements for daily activities and growth. Natural antioxidants. Plantain flour contains natural antioxidants such as flavonoid, which can help protect poultry birds from oxidative stress and support their immune system. Plantain flour is very palatable. Poultry birds often show a preference for diverse and palatable feed options. Introducing plantain flour can add variety of their diet and enhance the palatability of their overall feed. Economic feasibility. Plantain flours are often readily available and can be a cost-effective nutritional supplement for poultry farmers, essentially in regions where plantains are abundant. It supports the reproductive health. Some plant compounds present in plantain flours may have potential benefit for reproductive health in poultry birds and contributing to the production of healthy eggs and offsprings. If you are a poultry egg producer, please, this plantain flour is very good for egg production in layers. Disease prevention. The presence of certain bioactive compounds in plantain flour may have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially contributing to the prevention of certain diseases in poultry. Therefore, if you are using this particular plantain flour in your poultry farm, you are going to be free from many infections. It is important to know that these flours has many vitamins And in this particular content, I will tell you what these vitamins does in the body of these livestock. Vitamin A is essential for vision, immune function, and feather health. Vitamin C is very good antioxidant that supports the immune system and helps the absorption of iron in poultry beds. Vitamin K is very important for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin B, including B1, B2, B3, and B5, B6, B9, and B12. These play various roles in energy metabolism, cell growth, and the functioning of the nervous system. For minerals, it has potassium, which is essential for maintaining fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. It has calcium. Calcium is for bone, especially those producing. It's very good for the strength of the egg. It is good for the bone and as well for the muscle function. The iron is essential for the formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood. Another one is the magnesium, which is involved in various biochemical processes, including energy metabolism and muscle function. It has phosphorus, vital for bone and for the meat formation, as well as energy metabolism. It has zinc, which is essential for immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. It has copper, which is very important for the formation of red blood cells and the functioning of the nervous system. It has magnesium, which is involved in bone formation, blood clotting, and reducing inflammation. All these vitamins and minerals are contained in this. How do you process it? Split this plantain flour or banana flour into pieces. Put them in a very neat pot after washing everything. Boil it for up to 30 minutes or thereabout, depending on what you are using to boil them. After boiling them, allow the water to cool. Use one bulb of this to feed in liquid form to 100 birds. This is going to change the story of all those birds. If you can do this within 5 days, you are going to see a lot of development in their growth, in the egg formation, and in their body weight. How do you prepare it? You need to boil it very well after thorough washing. Wash it properly, boil it to boil up to 100 degrees centigrade. Stop it and allow the water to get cold. Then filter it out and serve the birds with the water. Board of this particular plantain or banana flour can serve 100 matured birds. This is the color the juice will give you after boiling it very well. You can see it. It will give you brownish color. You can see it. So I'm going to serve this to the birds now. You can see it. You can see it. You can dilute this with little quantity of water to make it up to their at least 400 birds. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to other farmers. Bye.